everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybroses. In today's video, we will be discussing about the sales team reporting of Odoo 18 CRM. Odoo 18 CRM module provide a robust set of reporting features that allow sales team and managers to analyze performance and track the progress and make data-driven decisions. As you just move on to the CRM module, we can find the pipeline. Under the sales, you would be able to find the sales team. So here we can get the dashboard of the sales team that shows the visual overview of the key sales metrics. And you can customize the dashboard to display the most relevant information for your team. This dashboard often includes a pipeline analysis where you can find that with the stage, expected revenue, and everything. We have different stages such as new, qualified, propositions, and won. Now we can also just move on to the sales team performance. And we can also just get the activity tracking, and we can also just get the track of the progress of the opportunities through the sales pipeline. You can also just go through the open opportunities that shows with the different stages, and you can just go or make a flow between different stages. So if you want to just move from one stage to another stage, you can simply select the card and move on here. Currently, you can see that we are in the team sales and we have opened the open opportunities, and that will be visible over here. When you just remove the team over here, you can see you will be getting all the open opportunity. When you remove all the open opportunities, you can just get all the uh, pipelines of the team over here. I mean, with the every team over here. Likewise, you can also just move on to the quotations, and you can find all the quotations over here, and you can also find one to order and everything. So once you have done just with this, if you want to create a new team, you can just move on to the configuration, and under the sales team, this would like you to create a new team. By clicking on new button, you can click on, you can just fill out all the details such as the name of the team, the pipeline, the leads, the team details, and everything. And you can also add the members into a sales team. So once everything is done, you can again switch to the sales team. Now let's move on to the reporting. If you want to get the reporting of a particular sales team, you can just click on the three dots and move on to the sales team. This gives the reporting of the leads particularly. And if you want to just get the report of the opportunities over here, you can also just get that. Then you will be getting the sales over here. Then you can also get the invoices over here, and you can also find the activities over here. So see how it's getting over here. And if you want to switch between different views, you can also switch between different views over here. Now let's back to the team that we were dealing with, and let's move on to the opportunities. Here also you can see different views. Currently it is in its default view, which is Kanban, and you can just switch between different views that shows every details over here. And if you want to just move on to the graph view, you can just get that. And you can also just get the pivot view, calendar view as well as pivot view. Now currently you can see currently we are using the default filter that is sales and open opportunities. And as I just remove all these here, you would be getting other result. Now let me group by based on sales team, salesperson, and stage. Now you will be getting different results over here. This shows one record after the other, that is with the particular sales team with the expected revenue, prorata revenue, days to close, which means it shows all the revenues over here. Now if you want to make any further changes in the measures, you can also just enable the fields over here, and that would give the result over here. Now you can find everything in this section. So that's how we just manage with the sales team reporting in Odoo 18 CRM. So if you want Odoo customization or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybroses. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.